Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make an egg chicken sandwich. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 2 to 3 hard-boiled eggs, about 1 cup of cooked chicken, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Don't forget your favorite bread, some finely diced celery, and a hint of Dijon mustard. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's prepare the core ingredients for our delicious filling. Start by hard-boiling 2 to 3 eggs, then peel and chop them into small, consistent pieces. Next, take your cooked chicken breast and shred it finely. Finally, dice about 1/4 cup of fresh celery. These steps lay the foundation for a perfectly textured sandwich. It's time to bring all those wonderful flavors together. In a medium bowl, gently combine your chopped eggs, shredded chicken, and diced celery. Now, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of creamy mayonnaise, along with 1/2 teaspoon of Dijon mustard for a subtle tang. Finish by seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Finally, let's assemble our masterpiece. Take your favorite bread, whether it's whole wheat or sourdough, and spread a generous amount of the egg-chicken mixture evenly. Place another slice of bread on top, then carefully cut your sandwich diagonally for that classic, inviting look. Don't forget to check the description for a link to leak-proof containers and other great deals to help with your meal prep. Enjoy your homemade, delicious sandwich.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.